now, in order for us to install Terraform, right? And I'm assuming that we are all working on Windows computers, right? And make no mistake, you can what? You can also install Terraform on Mac, but you need to use Brew because so Mr. Mukum, I'm going to request control via system, okay? And if you want, you can just open Google for me. But I want you to, okay? Okay, let's do that, okay? So, yep, there we go. So, if we want to install this, so I'm doing this through some kind of remote control. Oh, sorry, it was already open, right? So see. So first what? So now let's talk about different installers, right? Windows system have an installer. That installer is called Chocolatey. Now we know that, right? I think we've done, yeah. So we spoke about Chocolatey in the earlier phase of this class. And of course, what? This other moment we're talking about it again. Chocolatey is comparable to what? It's comparable to Yum, right? When you are installing on Ubuntu or Brew when you are installing on Mac operating system. So now let's do what? Let's say I want to what? Install what? Install Chocolatey on Windows. See that here? There you go. That's it. So now, if you come here, what do? You can what? Just click on this and open a new tab like that, right? Like this, you can see. Now, there is what? There is one command. And this is where you need to be able to read. It says what? Install with PowerShell EXE. This is equivalent to what? PowerShell as administrator because you are installing. So Linux 101, only admins can install. Abi, right? So now it says what? It says you can what? So this is the command now what? Run the following command like this. You can run this command. Okay. This command is what is going to install Chocolatey for you. So what do we do that? Now I come here, right? I'm going to what? Open what? PowerShell. Please be very, very careful. You're going to what? Open PowerShell as administrator. So Mr. Mukom, click on run as administrator. I've already clicked. Just accept it because I'm not going to say it, but you can just say yes. Thank you. See that? There you go. And now what? You paste that. Run Control V in that terminal. There you go. See that? That's it. Now run enter. Press enter. See that? Okay. So it looks like oh, see that? So of course what? So Choco is already installed. So now go to Telegram, right, in the help desk and just paste that command there so that others can just do the same thing. Just what? So first what? First, you need to install Choco so that you can use Choco and what? And install Terraform and install what again? And install your AWS CLI. This is so simple. It's straightforward, right? We all have Choco. I think we use Choco to install Maven, right? So what? Now he already has that. Therefore, what? You can now do what? Choco what? Choco. Okay, Mukam, if you're there, type what? Type Choco install Terraform. Okay, like that. There you go. Period. Enter. Now, because you have Choco, it what? So it says what? So again, what? Terraform is already installed. Period. Right? Now, let's look at how we can install now what? We can now install the CLI. So again, if you go to Chrome, where we were before, okay, go to Chrome. Now what? Let's now install what again? The what? Just run what? Run install what? Install AWS CLI using Choco. So you can always do this, okay? You can see install what? Install AWS CLI on Windows. Okay, you can do Mac if you want, using what? Using, see that? Chocolatey. Like that. And you can see, so you're going to see the command. And this is so Learning tech these days is just so easy. You don't need to. You see that there you go. That's the command, PowerShell. Copy that command. So can you help me paste that command in the help deck so that those who are, others can just copy and run? But what? But that is the command. Thank you so much, right? So now again, what? Come here to your PowerShell and just what? Run Control V to paste that. Open your PowerShell and you run Control V. There you go, right? Oh, 1 second. We missed something. Okay, because if you run that enter now, it's not going to work. Run Control V or Control C to key the process. Okay. And then what? Run Control V again. We hit enter, let's see. Okay, yeah, there you go. Okay, says what? Okay, again, it's already installed, right? That is the only thing you need to install. AWS CLI, Terraform, and what? And Chocolatey in order for you to what? To install Terraform. You use what? You use so what? Chocolatey is the package manager for Windows operating systems. And what again? And Brew is the package manager for what? For Mac operating systems. Why, Yum is the package manager for what? For Red Hat, operating systems. And APT is the package manager for what? For Ubuntu and Debian-like operating system. Please know about package managers. I think I'm going to record a video on package managers because it's so important for us to understand. Because this is what is now what it becomes so easy for you to install just anything on your system using what? Using Chocolatey, as long as that package is available in Choco, right? Makes sense? Mr. Taniform, do you have a question? I see your hand up. Okay. So anybody have a question on these installations? Anyone before we move on? Anybody? Okay. Everything is good? So what? So that is how you install, okay, Chocolatey. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Mukom. So you go to the browser, look at the command to install Choco. I think most of you already have it installed. Then you install it again. You install you install what again, So yes, yeah. Just say yeah, of course, say yes for everything installed, and you should be good to go. That is good. So now we have it. Let's what? Let's go ahead now and we do some hands-on exercises. So we're going to, create a couple of resources using what? Using Terraform. So now I'm going to stop participants sharing, and so we are going to stop this recording